So what's up guys, Sid Legend here, and today's video is gonna be very interesting and useful too because we are gonna talk about a very beautiful software which is very useful for streamers who use single PC setup and wanna increase their streaming quality. Yeah, we are gonna talk about NVIDIA Broadcast today. So yeah, let's start the video. So NVIDIA Broadcast is a software which is released with the release of NVIDIA 30 series GPUs. So this software will work with any RTX GPU from 2060 to 3090. Any RTX device will work. So basically, where to download the software from? So you can download the software from the official NVIDIA website, or you can download this from the link in the description. So yeah, after downloading, you just need to install and open the software. And let me show you how to use the software. So yeah, let's switch. So basically, this software has three features: camera, speakers, and microphone. So let's just talk about the camera one because it's so unique. So yeah, first of all, you have to select your camera source. Like I'm using Brio, so I'm gonna select Brio, and then you'll have to select the resolution. So I'm recording this video in 1080p, so I'm gonna use 1920 into 1080p at the 60 fps. Not gonna go for 4K. 1080p is enough. So yeah, so yeah, you can see these effect, this effect bar. So there are four effects in this software. First of all is background blur. So if you want that DSLR effect without a DSLR, obviously just download the software, choose this background blur and turn this on. Boom, you can see my background is blurred. Pura background blur ho chuka hai. Let me show you in full screen. So yeah, you can see my background is totally blur, and I'm not using obviously a DSLR. I'm using this software and मेरा पूरा background blur हो चुका है. So yeah, this software is very nice for this thing. So yeah, let's move on to our second effect. So second effect is background replacement. So if you want to remove your background and add some anything, any gradient, any animation, any thing, anything you want, you just need to select background replacement and turn this on. So you can see I changed my background to this unique video I from which I downloaded from YouTube, obviously. So you just need to select this and turn this on. Also, you can change your video or photo, anything. You just need to select this, and you can choose any video. Like I'm using this video motion graphic, this motion graphic. So yeah, but you can select any. So it's interesting, right? Without a green screen. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice. So let's just move on to our third effect. So third effect is background removal. So basically you saw many streamers like जो स्टोरी गेम्स खेलते हैं एंड सिर्फ उनका फेस दिखता है, लाइक कैरी मिनाटी जो सिर्फ उसका फेस दिखता है और पीछे उसका बैकग्राउंड नहीं दिखता, सिर्फ गेम दिखता है. सो इफ यू वांट टू डू दैट विदाउट अ ग्रीन स्क्रीन, जस्ट click on this effect background removal and turn this on. Boom, and you can see my background is gone. So if you don't want to show your background and just you want to show your face and the screen, this effect is for you, my man. Yeah, so this was cool. So let's move on to our fourth effect. So basically fourth effect is auto frame. So auto frame means कि this effect zooms your face, and जहाँ से तुम्हारा face जाएगा it will track your face. I'll show you in full screen. Wait. So if I turn this on, you can see my face is zoomed right now. Auto zoom हो चुका है, and obviously जहाँ मैं जाऊँगा it will track my face. Like if I go right, it will track my face to right. If I go left, it will track my face to left. ऊपर नीचे right left. It's kind of interesting, ना? Yes, let me show you the settings. So you can see this zoom option. Like if you want कि तुम्हें और zoom करना है, just increase this bar, and yeah, काफी zoom हो गया. ज़्यादा इतना भी नहीं चाहिए. And if you don't want, इसे कम कर दो. So it totally depends on you. एक बहुत ही कम zoom हो गया, थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा zoom करना पड़ेगा. uh, this one is perfect, I guess. Yeah, this one is perfect. So this effect is also very cool and obviously quite कैची है. लाइक स्ट्रीमिंग करोगे और ये वाला इफेक्ट यूज करोगे तो इट्स क्वाइट कैची फॉर द व्यूअर्स. सो या, लेट्स टर्न दिस ऑफ एंड मूव टू द सेकंड फीचर, दैट इज. So speakers में you don't need to do anything, just select your audio source, select noise removal and turn this thing on. So basically what it does कि like if you are if you are with someone in a call and उनके माइक से काफ़ी ज़्यादा एको कह रहा हूँ, उसके माइक से तो काफ़ी ज़्यादा बैकग्राउंड नॉइसेज आ रही है, उनके पीछे कुछ चल रहा है, मान लो कंस्ट्रक्शन हो रही है, काफ़ी नॉइसेज आ रही है, एंड इफ यू वांट टू रिमूव दैट वॉइस एंड फोकस ऑन दैट गाइज वॉइस, just you need to select your effect, this noise removal, and turn this on. I don't have anyone to show you, but this how it works. So yeah, let's move on to third feature, that is microphone. So many of you know about this effect because this was previously NVIDIA RTX voice, which was recently upgraded to NVIDIA broadcast, जो कि RTX voice था वही broadcast हो चुका है अब. So yeah, so this effect क्या करता है, like if you like background noise तुम्हारी mic से काफ़ी ज़्यादा आ रही है, you just need to select microphone source, select this noise removal and turn this on. Like as I'm recording this video, मैं इस effect का use कर रहा हूँ. So if I turn this off, तो माइट भी तुम्हें आवाज़ आ रही होगी, लाइक अभी तो शांति है मेरे रूम में, बट माइट भी तुम्हें आवाज़ आ रही होगी, लाइक बाहर टीवी चल रहा है तो उसकी माइट भी, आई एम नॉट श्योर. तो बेसिकली अगर मैं देखूँ तो इस क्लैपिंग साउंड, लाइक इफ आई एम टॉकिंग एंड ये क्लैपिंग साउंड इज एक्टिंग लाइक अ बैकग्राउंड नॉइज, so it's quite irritating for you also and for the viewers. So if you want to remove this clapping noise, you just need to tap this on, and now if I'm clapping and talking, तुम्हें आवाज़ नहीं आ रही होगी क्लैपिंग की. हाउ? जादू. It's not magic, it's NVIDIA broadcast. So yeah, this broadcast has quite a lot of features for camera, speakers and microphone, and yeah, it's quite useful for the streamers and for the viewers also. So yeah, you just need to keep two things in mind, that first of all, this broadcast software will only work with RTX series. Like you must have RTX to use the software. Like it will work with RTX only, not GTX, not GT, anything, only RTX. Second thing, make sure you have latest NVIDIA GeForce drivers. So how to check? Just go to NVIDIA GeForce Experience, click on it and click on drivers, show up already drivers, and click on check for updates, and you can see you have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver version 461.72. So अभी के लिए लेटेस्ट है, माइट भी वीडियो जब तक आए तो शायद नया अपडेट आ जाए, totally depends, तुम्हें पता लग जाएगा if you have the latest driver or not. So these two things you should keep in mind. बस बाकी you are Gucci. So that's it. That's it for the video. Let me know in the comment section ki how do you feel about the software, any review, anything, or if you have any queries, just drop in the comment section, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.